Today we are going to be reviewing Ecomi Coin, the NFT coin that in recent months has gone on a massive roller coaster ride. It has gone all the way up in the 3-month chart, going from about, let's say, about $0.0006 all the way up until $0.013 before slowly coming back down all the way down to $0.004. So we can really see that from the initial starting point, it has almost gone up about 20 times, and then it's gone down again all the way down by about 3 times down multiplier from its top. So about from its peak, about 70% down from its peak. So we can really see that Ecomi has been on a massive roller coaster ride. Its current market cap is down 6% at 721 million. Its fully diluted market cap is 3 billion, and their circulating supply is only 22% in action. And obviously a lot of that supply, as we know, is locked into smart contracts where it will never actually enter for years and years and years to come. But overall, as we can see here, Ecomi is up relative to Ethereum and Bitcoin because Bitcoin and Ethereum have gone massively down in the last day. Now, this ultimately stems from Elon Musk's tweet that Bitcoin is too inefficient and bad for the environment. Therefore, Tesla are going to stop taking in cryptocurrency payments in the form of Bitcoin. However, they are holding all of their Bitcoin as well. They are looking into other cryptocurrency options because they do believe that cryptocurrency is the future. Now, I literally said about this in my video talking about Elon Musk and crypto and Bitcoin a while back. It doesn't make much sense for him to take on a environmentally bad crypto, but he did it anyway. And now he's reversing his decision, which I'm rather skeptical of because I feel like a smart man like that would know when he first decided to accept Bitcoin. He would have known essentially about the impacts on the environment. We can see that the trending coins are Nano, Solar Coin, all of the ones that are arguably healthy and friendly coins towards the environment. But we got off detour then. That is why Ecomi's gone down in the recent the recent day, because the whole market is bleeding for that reason. The volume is down to 8 million. It's down 3% in the last 24 hours. And that's pretty low volume. I mean, I've seen volume on trading volume way above 9 million for Ecomi. There's been points where it's been absolutely huge, and its market rank is currently 221 with dominance of 0.03%. And what exactly is Ecomi? So we can see that Ecomi is a Singaporean based technology company in the digital collectible space. Obviously the digital collectible space is always about the NFTs, and what they've gone on to do is create this marketplace called Vivi. And on this marketplace, you'll see it on their website, you can buy and sell collectibles. They have some great partnerships with the likes of DC. You can see they've got Ghostbusters on here. So they've got a certain range of unique collectibles coming into the ECOMI Marketplace that can be bought and sold on the ECOMI Marketplace. And then they've got a very cool feature where if we look at the coin review, I think they're kind of going forward in the future. This is not the Coinbase review, this is Coin Bureau review. And we can see that moving forward, they're really trying to capture a different market as well as buying and selling the NFTs. They're trying to look into the gamification place. You can see that, it's looking at the gamification where there's a social feed that lets people share what collectibles they have, and there's also a personal showroom that lets people show off what collectibles they have and kind of see what other people have. So they're really looking to, as well as buy and sell these collectibles and NFTs, allowing people to get use out of them by showing them, albeit virtually, which I think is an absolutely great thing for them to do, because obviously it gives more of an incentive to buy NFTs, and it gives more of an incentive to buy them from the Ecomi platform, because once you can buy them on the Ecomi Vivi platform, you can then go on and use them with a lot more ease, showing them off to your friends, having a competition, building your own virtual reality world. So I think that itself is quite a good draw-in for Ecomi. Now, it should be noted I am no financial advisor, and anything I say in this video should not be taken as grounds to invest. It is simply my opinion, and anything I say should be fact-checked. But we can see here Ecomi is a technology-based company, as we said, and it aims to look at the emerging digital collectible space and protection of digital assets. And obviously going forward, NFTs, as we take a look on here, we can see that CryptoPunk NFTs sells at Christie's for 16.9 million. Now that is an absolutely huge sum of money. So I think as long as Ecomi as well really do focus on protecting digital assets, they could be onto a winner, because clearly you've got NFTs right now in this day and age selling at 16 million, and that means that there's going to be a lot of value placed in them and so on. Taking a look at the recent news, we can see that Beeple's 69 million NFTs sold for thousands of speculators on crypto. They're raising 7 million to fractionalize NFT collections. Millennial creators are making a lot of money selling NFTs. So really, like we can see here, there's new startups. NFTs are a very, very popular thing. About a month ago, that was when the peak interest formed. And that was the same time that, let's say, if we take a look at the chart, we can see the most price action, because we can see that about the start of March 2021, the 20th of March, we can see Ecomi reach one of its all-time highs at 0.013. And since then, the hype is still there surrounding NFTs. But it's slowly, fizzling out in that sort of way, because we can see a slow downtrend, a massive market correction. And essentially, this downtrend, you can almost draw a straight line, and it's literally following that downtrend. But taking a look at the all-time pattern, I think it makes a lot of sense that the rise was massively high, and there's due to be a correction. So what is going to send Ecomi to the moon? I think the thing that's going to send Ecomi to the moon is that everybody starts to use the ECOMI Marketplace to buy and sell crypto, to buy and sell NFTs. The more NFTs that are bought, the more demand there's going to be for the Ecomi coin. And the more functions there are on the ECOMI Marketplace in the Ecomi bubble, the higher demand there's going to be for the Ecomi coin, because, that's going to be what you need to access their features. And the more demand there is for the coin, assuming the supply the same, economics would say that the price is going to go up. What is equally going to send Ecomi down could be, a competition from the likes of CHZ, Crypto.com, in terms of becoming the highest marketplace for NFTs. Binance are probably releasing their NFT marketplace very soon, so there's going to be a bit of competition around then. Maybe there's going to be a dedicated NFT showroom crypto app, where it's dedicated to just being a crypto NFT world where you can build your world around your NFTs. Then it would also face competition. Maybe other cryptos are going to get better partnerships in the future. Maybe their partnerships fall through. Maybe NFTs die out. There's so many things that could potentially go wrong with it, but I think NFTs and Ecomi have got a big first mover advantage on this. So if we take a look at the review overall, I think it's interesting seeing the Coin Bureau conclusion, which is somewhere down here. They can see with the launch of the ECOMI platform and current rage for everything NFT, Ecomi is off to an excellent start. Much of that might be attributed to the partnerships they formed, which allows them to mint exceedingly popular NFTs. So you can see, they've got Alfred Khan in charge of licensing, and Alfred Khan is a marketing person. I think he's potentially involved in Pokemon and all stuff like that. So this is their guy who's in charge of licensing. He's kind of all about, bringing Pokemon to the world outside of Japan. So they've got a strong team, and you can see that, early investors will be happy with the 100% gains over the 100 times gains over the last months. And overall, Coin Bureau, who again should not be taken as reasons to invest, liked the project. Taking a look at their Twitter, we can see that they've got 90,000 followers. They're quite popular. They're really promoting some competitions, and I don't think there's any big news that has recently been announced. You can see that there was, a few new crypto NFTs coming out, and I think as long as they can really keep up the production of NFTs, good NFTs, then, obviously they're going to be taking commission every time, transactions occur. Tokens are going to be burned every time transactions occur, and that really will help create demand and everything like that So you can see that Ecomi has been in the works for 3 years, as this tweet says, which I find very interesting. And obviously, Ecomi has such a passionate community, which means sometimes when you're looking online on Twitter, you might get quite biased stuff and biased opinions. So really don't make any decisions based on that for investing. Think about everything in an up-to-date context manner, in a rational manner. So thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think of Ecomi, and I'll catch you again very soon.